In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to earn passive income using only AI tools. So let's get into it. Our first step is to go on udemy.com. If you don't know what is Udemy, you can find different courses from this site, like video editing courses or coding courses. Likewise, there are tons of courses right here. Now, let's find a good niche for our course. You can search what type of course you need to create. In this case, I'm searching YouTube automation. Once you can see right here, if you go on this one, you can see this course has 3002 students. So there are a lot of different course categories, and you can find some category that you are interested in. For example, I'm using YouTube automation. Now we have a good niche for our course. And now what we need to do, make our course. To do this, I'm using Chat GPT. Okay, here is my online course for YouTube automation. What we need to do now, we need to create a presentation for our course. Let's use Google Slides for this. Go to the Google Slides and click Go to Slides and click on this blank one. You can also select different styles right over here. Okay, now let's copy this script and create a presentation. Now I have my complete presentation. Now we need to make a video for our course. To do this part, I'm using ally.io. Go to ally.io and create an account. Okay. Now you guys say that if this site has Chat GPT option, and why you didn't use it first? Here's the reason. Because we can't get enough information from Chat GPT in this site. That's why I use Chat GPT firstly. Click the presentation button and upload your PDF right over here. Now we have our video. Okay, now you can edit or remove parts and change the position or background, and also you can change the avatar and voiceover style. After everything is done, click on the render button to start rendering your video. It gets several minutes to complete. Once the process is complete, you will receive an email with the download link. Open the email and download the video. Here's the video for YouTube automation course.
Welcome to YouTube automation course. Course overview. YouTube is one of the most popular social media platforms used by millions of people worldwide. It provides an opportunity for content creators to showcase their creativity and engage with their audience. However, with the increasing number of users, it has become challenging to manage and grow your YouTube channel. That's where automation comes in. In this course, you will learn how to automate various tasks on your YouTube channel to save time and increase efficiency.
Wow, it's really good, right? So now we can sell this on Udemy. And I hope you learned something about new from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.